There's a silent killer of success. It's not fear. It's not laziness. It's indecision. Every day, millions of people stand right here, stuck between two doors. They think, what if I choose wrong? So they wait, they analyze, they overthink, and by the time they decide, the opportunity's gone. I know that feeling, because I used to live there, until I learned how Jeff Bezos makes billion-dollar decisions in minutes. Today, you'll learn his exact method, called the two-way door framework, a system to break free from hesitation and start acting like a true decision-maker. Let's get brutally honest. Indecision isn't harmless. It's destruction, slow and invisible. When you hesitate, three things happen. 1. You lose time. 2. You lose momentum. 3. You lose confidence. You train your brain to believe that you can't be trusted to act. And once that belief sticks, even small decisions, what to learn, who to call, what project to start, become a war inside your head. Here's the truth. Successful people aren't smarter than you. They just move faster through uncertainty. They make decisions, learn, adjust, and move again, while the rest of the world is still thinking about it. Jeff Bezos once said, "Most decisions should be made with about 70% of the information you wish you had." He understood something most people never realize. Waiting for 100% clarity is just fear disguised as logic. In 1994, Jeff Bezos had a safe job on Wall Street. He saw the internet growing at 2,300% per year. He had an idea, an online bookstore, but it meant leaving everything, his career, salary, reputation, to chase a dream that might fail. So, he asked himself one question that changed his life. Is this a one-way door or a two-way door? Here's what it means. A one-way door is irreversible. Once you walk through it, there's no going back. Examples: selling your company, moving your family to another country, getting married. These require deep thought and caution. But a two-way door? It's reversible. You can step through, test something, and walk right back if it doesn't work. Examples: starting a YouTube channel, trying a new product idea, testing a new business model. Bezos realized most decisions in life are two-way doors, meaning you can act, learn, adjust, and repeat. Yet most people treat every door like it's one way, so they freeze. They overthink, analyze, and stay stuck in the hallway of regret. To make his final decision, Bezos used another mental model, the Regret Minimization Framework. He said, "When I'm 80 years old, I don't want to look back and regret not trying something I believed could change my life." So he pictured himself at 80, looking back from the future. Would he regret quitting a safe job? Maybe a little. Would he regret not starting Amazon? Definitely. That clarity made his choice obvious. He quit his job, packed his car, and drove across the country. Within a year, Amazon was born. Now the lesson is simple. When you can't decide, ask future you what will hurt more, failing or never trying. If you're still stuck, it's not because you don't know what to do. It's because you fear regret more than failure. You're overanalyzing tiny details. You're afraid people will judge you. You're waiting for the perfect moment that will never come. Let's be clear. Indecision is not protection. It's poison. Every day you delay a choice, you reinforce the belief that you can't trust yourself. Confidence doesn't appear magically. It's built by making choices and surviving them. That's why indecision is a loop. You hesitate, you lose confidence, you hesitate more. Breaking it means acting before you feel ready. Here's how you apply the two-way door framework starting today. Step 1. Ask, is this decision reversible? If yes, act now. Make the move, test fast, collect data. Step 2. Decide with 70% information. Don't wait for perfect clarity. If it's good enough, move. If it's wrong, adjust. Step 3. Build your decision muscle. Start small. What to learn, what to post, who to call. The more reps you take, the stronger your clarity becomes. And here's the hidden truth. Every small decision you make trains your brain to trust you again. Within weeks, you'll notice something strange. You'll stop asking for permission and start acting on conviction. That's when confidence replaces hesitation. So here's your challenge. For the next 30 days, treat every decision as a two-way door. Act, test, learn, adjust. Stop overthinking, start executing. When your brain whispers, "What if it fails?" reply, "Then I'll walk back and try again." Because the truth is, action beats analysis every single time. You don't need more time, you need more trust in yourself. Make the decision, walk through the door, and let the world see what happens when you finally stop hesitating. This is Mind of the Master. If you're done being trapped by hesitation and ready to think like a leader, subscribe. Because the next lesson will show you how Warren Buffett eliminates distraction using the 5-25 rule. See you there.